Hi everybody, and welcome to this short episode of G-Bear Homesteading the Desert. You're looking at my indoor garden here, and yeah, I got a lot of the seeds out of the sprouting packages, and I got them into soil here in my little planter trays. And these blue things underneath are water catchers. Those are covers from the cat litter buckets. They work great for this type of thing. As you can see, they catch the water that runs out the bottom, and it doesn't get all over my floor and that stuff. But yeah, you can see the peas down here are doing just great, and the sweet peppers over there just sprouted. I only had 4 of them that sprouted out of the 9 seeds, so I got those into soil. And there's my beets. They're not really happy with this time of year, but they're still growing. And there's my radishes over there. You remember those a while back. And some green onions back there. And those are recycled onions. That's cutting the roots off the bottom of the green onion and sticking them in the ground, and they resprout and they'll regrow. So those are those type of plants that are lifetime plants. You plant them once, and then you just keep putting the roots back in the soil, and you'll get another plant off of it. My spinach, I've got 3 plants coming up there. I got igloo lettuce in there because I ran out of room in here for them, so I had to get those in there. And these are basil over here. I put in 2 plants each into each one of these little corners, and I'll sort those out when they get a little stronger. I'll keep the best of them, and I'll either give the others away to neighbors or whatever. This one here with the blank is because that's an empty spot. I didn't have anything to put in there, so I just blanked it so I remember there's nothing in there. Because this blank back here is there because I've got sprouts coming up in here, but I forgot to mark that when I planted them, and I don't know what's growing in there. So I'll have to wait until the plant gets a little bit bigger before I can ID them. All right, that's about all. Oh yeah, this is my homemade antennas outside, and this is a San Diego channel that we're watching here. And I was watching the San Diego news just now because they come on at this time, and then I've got to change channels later to get up to the local area up here in the desert and see what's going on here. It looks like the storm is going to move pretty quickly through here and head south, is what I just saw on the news. So we'll see what happens with that. It's supposed to start raining somewhere around 3 o'clock in the morning and go through tomorrow and Thursday, and then taper off on Friday. That's about all. The girls are all hunkered down and taken care of. It's been windy and cold. I didn't do much outside today. I had a bunch of paperwork to do and some computer work to do. And the only reason I'm shooting this video is Forever North's Sanctuary also asked me if there was a problem with the end screen annotations on YouTube. So I'm going to shoot this video, a short video, just to get something posted, and then I can check to see how that system is working, to see if it's a problem on his end or if it's a problem nationwide or worldwide on the web or whatever. All right. That's all. Don't forget, if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up down there, like my videos, and don't forget to leave comments and questions. I'm always here to answer, and I try to get back to you as quick as possible. That's about all there is for today. G-Bear signing off.